As a child, I always fantasized about riding a dragon and flying in the sky. Go anywhere. So comfortable. Now, of course, there are no dragons. Flying is also impossible. The most annoying thing is that I can't even go anywhere at any time. But actually it's not impossible to do this. This is the latest panoramic drone A1 released by Antigravity. It is equipped with the Sunrise 5 chip of the DIGUA robot, subsidiary of Horizon. Combining drones and VR flight glasses gives you a first-hand look at a very immersive flight experience. It can even arrange a dragon for you to be your mount. At the same time, through the somatosensory control of the handle, you can fly wherever you want. Then we also got the Antigravity A1 today. Show everyone what is there, how to use it. What's inside is already shown on the surface of the box. You can take a look. Open the lid of the box and scan the QR code to see the user manual. Download the drone control app. Open the handbag. Let's take a look at the main drone. It's only 249 grams, very light, and you can see there are cameras all around. Here are the power button, SD card slot, Type-C, and battery in sequence. Press the buttons on both sides with both hands to take out the battery. Let's take a look at VR glasses again. There are AC port, power interface, multifunction key, and volume control key for prompt tone. The two rollers here slide left and right to adjust the lens distance. Rotation adjusts the diopter. It is 200 degrees farsightedness to 500 degrees myopia. The middle of the lens is the SD card slot. Here's the proximity sensor. This proximity sensor will not display the picture until it detects that it has been fitted to the face. There is a Type-C at the bottom of the somatosensory remote control. The key here is the unlock slider. Return emergency brake button, 360-degree panoramic scroll wheel, photographs and videos, and on top there are LEDs. Short press the power button on the side to display the power. In addition to the power button, there is also a menu button on the side. On the other side, there's a 3-gear flight gear slider. Here is the custom 1 button, custom 2 button. Throttle trigger. There's also a battery compartment, capable of storing and charging spare batteries. The capacity of the battery is 2,360 mAh. There is also a larger 4,500 mAh battery. In addition to the necessary hardware mentioned earlier, there are also data cables, spare paddle blades, lanyards and other accessories in the set. Then the price of the set we saw today is 7,699 yuan. There are also two versions of $866 and $1,040. The main difference between these versions is whether there are battery housekeepers, spare batteries, and other accessories. Do you think this price is worth it to experience the immersive sky?